Hi there, I'm Ninette from the Metal Embossing Academy, and I'd love to invite you to join us for a free 5-day metal art challenge. In this challenge, we'll be looking at finding your creative voice in metal art. You might have played a little bit with metal art and pewter embossing, and you might have tried different techniques and various ideas, but you might feel a little bit stuck in how to express you fully through your art. In this challenge, we'll be delving a little bit deeper into what makes us unique. What are you passionate about? What are your favorite colors? What are you inspired by? And how can we bring all of those things through in our art to make it powerful and authentically us? I'd love to invite you to join us. It'll be starting on Monday, the 8th of March, 2021. And there'll be a free Facebook group. So you can join our community. There are metal artists that some of them are veterans. They've been doing pewter art for a long, long time with a wealth of knowledge. Others are just starting, and then there's a whole lot in the middle on the journey of discovery. So if you're keen to join us, learn more from people who are like-minded and who love the same thing, please click on the button below.